Hey guys, Rhett here. What is going on at my client Charlie and Emily's first Section 8 rental property, guys? I'm super excited about this one and to bring you through it. We did a ton of work here. This house has been fully rewired to full electrical code, fully replumbed all the way up to electrical code, all new exterior windows, redoing the entire interior, adding a bedroom, new kitchen, new bathroom, new everything. And this is what we try and do in a lot of cases where we're buying homes that are older. We want tenants to stay in them for a long time, but we also want to cut down on maintenance costs. How do we do that? We put a lot of new stuff in the units. Now, it's not cheap always, right? Now, we have clients that are able to get into houses for cheap, and we have some rehabs that aren't as cheap. And when you're doing all this work, you're touching all these different things, you're going to spend more money. And especially when you're doing them the right way, and you're having to bring things up to code. So rehab here, $65,000. This is gonna rent for somewhere between $1,400 and $1,500 a month. I'm absolutely thrilled for my clients on this one, and we're gonna walk through. I'm gonna take you through it. We're gonna talk about it. Now, there are guys in there working, so it's gonna get a little bit loud. This house was a probate sale, so it took a little bit longer to close. It was extended close to 90 days. We're gonna walk through it, we're gonna talk. Now, if it gets loud in there, we'll move on to the next room. That's why I wanna talk to you as much out here as I can before we go in. But one thing I do wanna talk to you about is if you want to onboard properties like this, and you wanna be able to have a team that you can trust, who does things the right way, send me an email in the description below. We'll get you started. I'll help you with everything. I'll hold your hand through the whole process. We'll find a house together. We'll do all the work together. You'll use my management companies to onboard the properties and get them up and running and cash flowing. It really is a one-stop shop to get everything you need and to be able to build a rental portfolio wherever. Now, it's a beautiful day where we are. We actually had 2 people pull up. I've been here for about 30 minutes. We've had 2 different people pull up who have given me their contact information, who already want to rent this house. And it's exactly what we talk about. The 2 people that both showed up, they both live in a housing project about a mile away from here. And they want to get out. They want a home that they can put their family in to start something new, something they can take pride in. One of the people that pulled up, I asked them how long they've lived in that project, and they said 8 years. The other person has been there for a year, and she already wants to get out. So when you create a product like this that people literally pull off the side of the road to get information on, makes you feel good, number one, but you also know that you're creating a product that doesn't exist, or that is so finite that there's so much demand for it. And I love that, and that's why I love coming down here and seeing what we're doing, and being able to do stuff like this, record them and show you guys. So if you want to be a part of it, you want to get that same feeling, send me an email, we'll get you started. But let's walk through, we'll talk about it, okay? So guys, you walk in here, okay, this is the living room. Now, originally, we had a dining room on the other side of this wall. We have walled this off. This is now going to be a bedroom on the other side of this wall. So, all new LVP throughout here. As you can see, everything has been rewired, and you'll see a ton of wiring throughout the entire house. We'll talk about it a little bit more on the outside as well. But a lot of work being done here every single day mechanically. So from a mechanical standpoint, but also cosmetically. So right off of the living room, you have bedroom number 1, okay? Every bedroom in here, guys, is a good size. So good size bedrooms, gonna be great for a big family. It's got a good size living room. It's got a really good size kitchen and a really good size bathroom. And we'll be able to see them as we go. So as we walk down the hallway, so guys, this whole house is on this hallway, okay? So they're laying floor in there. We're not gonna go in there right now, but there is bedroom number 2 right here, okay? Bedroom number 3 has been prepped for flooring. So we're getting ready to lay the LVP in here. We keep moving into the bathroom, okay? Now, it's dark in here, you can't really see because the electrical hasn't been turned back on. But everything in here has been replumbed. So we have all new plumbing throughout the entire house, brand new sewer line, everything. All new PEX piping, new water lines, absolutely everything. So we're rebuilding this up. We deleted a window in here, so we're walling this off. If you wall it off, you got to put in a ceiling fan to create circulation in the bathroom for the moisture that comes out of the shower in the tub. So all that stuff has already been wired. This house had old knob and tube wiring, so as soon as you pull a permit on it with knob and tube, you got to update everything. So as you come to the end, guys, this is bedroom number 4. Again, this has been prepped for LVP. We built a closet in here. This was not here, so we built this in here. When you brought this up to code, every room had 1 outlet. Code here for a single family house is at least 3 outlets per room. So we added a lot of outlets to this house, ended up doing a ton of electrical work. So as we keep moving forward, we have the kitchen. So as you can tell, all brand new windows, guys, throughout the whole house, all new, brand new vinyl. So we're totally changing the kitchen up. Originally, we had cabinets that were going here. We had 2 small windows that were located here. We popped both of those out and put 1 big window in here. We're moving all of the cabinets and countertops to this over here. That was originally a door. We're walling that off, and all of our cabinets will go here. We'll have our refrigerator, we'll have our stove. We'll change where that heating and cooling vent is. We're gonna move that as well. All this will have LVP in it also. So really, really fantastic. New box here as well. And then guys, as we move to the back of the house, you see all your ductwork that was in here. Most of that is pre-existing. Brand new washer and dryer box. So you'll have your washer box right here. You'll have all your dryer, all your electrical, and all your items here. As you can see, new PEX lines, brand new drain lines. I believe a panel will be going there as well. As we walk out here, I just want to show you this. So a lot of junk, a lot of demo we've ripped out of the house. But so originally, this was our electrical box. So old. And a huge, huge, huge problem. If you see the service line going into this box, and if you go out to your house and look at your service lines, I guarantee you they don't look like that. If they do, you're gonna have a big problem. That's actually the inner wiring of the electrical that's exposed. So if you follow the electrical service line up to the top, what you'll see is all of the fraying from the original outside coating, okay? That's a huge problem. So we put a brand new electrical service, guys, on the house, absolutely top of the line, to make sure we never have any issues. On top of that, we put all new vinyl soffits along the entire exterior. So these are all brand new vinyl soffits, guys, as well as brand new vinyl siding on the back of the house. So really, really did a ton when it comes to getting this house in a much better position than it was when we bought it. And we're in an amazing area. We have a hospital right across the street. We have a church right next door. Very quiet and really, really nice. So super, super excited, guys, for my clients on this one. And it's possible. It's really doable. And if you want to be a part of this, it doesn't matter where you are, it doesn't matter where you live, you can be. And I'd love to help you do it. We'll do it together. And guys, as always, questions, comments, leave them in the comment section below. I'll get to them, and we'll see you next time.